Hello everyone and welcome back to the SOB3D YouTube channel for the second part of the IMVU accessory creating tutorial. In the first part of this series, we looked at making accessories in the form of layerable clothing. So if that's what you are looking to do, please be sure to check out that video. In this video, we'll be looking at accessories in the form of avatar attachments. One question you ought to ask yourself when making accessories for IMVU is how many bones would I need to rig this item? If the item is more than one, then feel free to pause this video and watch the previous video on how exactly you can go about that. Else you are in the right place. Think of avatar attachments as products pinned to specific bones on your avatar. They aren't necessarily rigged to your avatar at all, as you will see in this video. They are simply attached to your avatar by virtue of only one bone. So items like glasses, hats, watches, anklets, and furry tails all fall under avatar attachments. Bear in mind also that for accessory items with custom skeletons or idle animations, the avatar attachment import process is used, but we won't be covering any of that in this video. In this tutorial, we'll be using two blend files: the modeling blend file that comes with your preferred SOB3D dev kit and a blank blend file saved in the same folder as the rest of your SOB3D dev kit files. Ensure that the new blank blend file is saved in the same folder as the dev kit files to follow this tutorial easily. With the modeling blend file, all we need to do here is create the item we wish to upload to IMVU Studio. I already went ahead and made a simple hat item, created UV maps, assigned materials, and baked textures as well. Check out our video on modeling to familiarize yourself with these aspects of modeling if you haven't already. Now that my item is essentially complete, I can export it as an FBX. I will now go to my blank blend file, press N to bring up the options panel, and click on IMVU Studio Toolkit. If you do not have the IMVU Studio Toolkit for Blender, I recommend you go ahead and download it by searching for it in IMVU Creator Resources or using the link provided in the description. It's also worth noting that you should always be using the latest version of your IMVU Studio Toolkit to avoid bugs while exporting. In your IMVU Studio Toolkit panel, click on Attachment Tool and then Append Attachment File. Now you will see a default IMVU avatar accompanied by a not so aligned skeleton. Never mind any of this for now. Simply click the Hide button to hide the avatar and proceed to import your FBX into the scene. Using the eyedropper in the bone box, select the bone closest to your item. In this case, the bone is the head bone. Click on Setup Mesh and then click on Export. You'll notice a new FBX in the folder where you saved the blend file. Import that FBX into IMVU Studio using the empty accessory based product by SOB3D. Set your creator filter to SOB3D. Search for empty in all products, select empty accessory and click derive. Import your FBX using the FBX import option. You are free to use any mesh ID you wish as avatar attachments do not clash with each other. Set up your textures and set materials to double-sided. Now we have a complete accessory as an avatar attachment ready for export to the IMVU shop. And that marks the end of this video and by extension this series on accessories. I hope you all found this helpful. Be sure to leave a like on this video, subscribe to this channel for more content like this, and leave a comment below on more tutorials you would like to see. Thank you all for stopping by and see you next time.